what's up everyone? This is the video for this Predator Tools little shovel called the Spike. Let's see if we can get a winner here. We are live. 7:22. Come on. The computer's going so slow right now. I don't know why. 7:22. Got the list here. We got 5 entries. We got Bruno on the top, Jake on the bottom. You need 2 dice, 5 or higher. Excuse me. 11 times at 7:22. Good luck. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. After 10 times, you got Jake on the top. We must go 11. Good luck at 7:23. Oh, 7:23. Last and final roll. Top spot gets this shovel. Congratulations goes to spot 4, Bob. Congratulations, Bob. Send me a PM and I'll get this out to you as soon as possible. We are done at 7:23. 7:23. Congratulations, Bob. Sorry, everyone else. Thanks for playing. Take care.